Welcome back to Car Mag's Reviews, where today we're diving into something a little different but equally legendary, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing. This machine isn't just a motorcycle, it's a rolling luxury lounge on two wheels that continues to redefine what long-distance touring should feel like. For 2026, Honda has refined the Gold Wing with subtle but meaningful updates, keeping its reputation as the ultimate touring icon firmly intact while pushing comfort, technology, and performance to an even higher level. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Gold Wing, it commands respect. The design is sleek, muscular, and unmistakably premium, blending aerodynamic efficiency with a bold road presence. The front end looks sharp and futuristic, with full LED lighting that not only enhances visibility at night but also gives the bike a modern, upscale character. The sculpted fairing flows smoothly into the fuel tank and side panels, creating a clean and balanced silhouette that looks just as good parked outside a luxury hotel as it does carving through mountain highways. Chrome accents and high-quality paint finishes elevate the overall appearance, reminding you that this is Honda's flagship touring machine, built with attention to every detail. Step into what we can call the interior of the Gold Wing, and you'll quickly understand why it's famous for comfort. The seat is wide, plush, and perfectly contoured, designed to keep both rider and passenger relaxed even after hours on the road. The riding position is upright and natural, with ergonomically placed handlebars and footrests that reduce fatigue on long journeys. For 2026, Honda has further refined seat cushioning and materials, making the ride even more comfortable over extended distances. The passenger experience is just as impressive, with a supportive backrest, generous legroom, and a sense of security that makes two-up touring effortless. The dashboard feels more like the cockpit of a luxury car than a traditional motorcycle. A large TFT display sits front and center, providing crystal-clear information on speed, navigation, ride modes, and bike settings. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration allow you to connect your smartphone seamlessly, giving you access to maps, music, and calls on the go. The premium sound system delivers rich, clear audio even at highway speeds, turning long rides into immersive journeys. Heated grips and seats, customizable ride settings, and smart storage compartments all contribute to an interior experience that prioritizes comfort, convenience, and technology. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing remains a masterpiece of engineering. Power comes from the iconic 1,833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine, which delivers smooth, effortless acceleration with a distinctive character that fans of the Gold Wing have loved for decades. This engine isn't about aggressive sport riding. It's about refined, confident power that makes overtaking easy and cruising at high speeds feel relaxed and stable. Throttle response is silky smooth, and the engine remains impressively quiet, adding to the luxurious riding experience. Honda's advanced suspension system ensures that the Gold Wing glides over rough roads with ease. Bumps, cracks, and uneven surfaces are absorbed effortlessly, keeping the ride composed and comfortable no matter the terrain. The bike feels remarkably stable at highway speeds, and despite its size, it handles surprisingly well through corners, thanks to a low center of gravity and precise chassis tuning. Braking performance is equally impressive, with strong, predictable stopping power and advanced safety features that inspire confidence in all riding conditions. Fuel efficiency for a machine of this size and power is commendable, making long-distance touring more practical and less stressful. Add in generous storage capacity, including integrated saddlebags and a spacious rear trunk, and the Gold Wing proves itself as the perfect companion for extended road trip. Whether you're heading out for a weekend escape or a cross-country adventure, this bike is built to handle it all in comfort and style. In the end, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about enjoying every single mile in between. It blends luxury, technology, and performance in a way few motorcycles can match, staying true to its legendary roots while embracing modern innovation. If you're looking for the ultimate touring experience on two wheels, the Gold Wing continues to set the gold standard. This has been CarMag's Reviews. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you in the next one.